Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you this sparkly, warm golden eye makeup look, which is perfect for this time of the year. So hopefully by this video, I can give you some inspiration and teach you how to create this eye look on your own eyes. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids. This removes the redness, it will make your eyeshadow more long lasting, and it will just leave you with a nice clean canvas for all your eyeshadows. So after that, I set it with some powder, and I will be going in with the Sigma Beauty and An Knook eyeshadow palette, which I created together with Sigma Beauty. So I will be going in with the first color, which is this color right here called Nacho Cheese. So it's kind of like a yellowy, mustardy shade, and I'm just gonna start blending this all the way in my crease area. So now that this color is all over my crease, I'm also going to use this for underneath the lower lash line. So I'm taking a flat brush and kind of press and blend my brush back and forth underneath the lower lash line. And then I took a bigger blending brush and blended out this underneath the whole lower lash line. Then I went in with this liquid eyeshadow, and I'm going to use this all over the eyelid. I am going to apply it quickly because after this I want to go in some glitter, and I want to apply the glitter while this product is still kind of like sticky. So I really want it to be as quick as possible with applying this, and then to go directly on top of that with a loose glitter. So what I did, I just dipped my brush into the glitter and then applied it directly on this product that I'm using right now. So I just wanted to let you guys know, because I never really show like the process of dipping my finger in a product. So I wanted to make sure that I mention how I did that. So this is where you can see that I'm kind of like dapping it onto that liquid eyeshadow. And I first applied that liquid eyeshadow with the applicator of the product itself. And then I went in with the brush to kind of like smear it out and give it more of a harsher line in a crease. So it kind of looks like a cut crease, but in a more natural way. And then on top of that, I went in with some liquid eyeliner. Well, actually not a liquid eyeliner, this is a gel eyeliner. I use the Sigma Beauty Wicked Gel Eyeliner, which is really nice. And whenever I do eyeliner, I first always start with creating a line above the lash line. Once I have done that on both sides of my eyes, I'm gonna make a line, and I kind of drag it from the outer portion of the eyelid and kind of following the direction of the outer part of my eyebrow. So I'm not gonna like drag the line all the way towards my brow, but I kind of hold like the outer part of my brow as a guideline of which direction I want to follow. And I always first create those two lines on both of my eyes before I am really gonna go create that wing liner. So I'm just gonna like see on both of my eyes if both lines are going in the same direction, and then I will focus on the wing liner, which I'm doing right now. So I do have like some videos on my YouTube channel where I talk a little bit more in depth on how to create the perfect wing liner, also for hooded eyes. So definitely check those out if you're interested in getting some more tips and tricks. So after that, I went in with the liquid liner from Anastasia, and I applied it on top of the gel eyeliner to make it extra black and more long lasting, and also to make sure that really all the glitters are covered up, that you don't see them like peeking through my eyeliner. And this is a really nice combination, the Sigma Wicked Gel Eyeliner and the Anastasia liquid liner on top of it. Then I went in with a little bit of black eyeshadow just to kind of make a nice connection from the wing liner towards the lower lash line. So I applied a very tiny amount just so there's not really like a gap in between, and so it kind of fades into each other, which I really like. And then I just started blending it out to make it a little bit less harsh. And I also went in with this beautiful kind of like brownish copper pencil. I believe this one was from Charlotte Tilbury. Very beautiful, and it suits so nice with today's eyeshadows. So then I went in with my palette again. I used the color Glaze, which is the perfect color for the inner corner. You can either use it in a look with more cool tones, but it also suits with warm tones. It's like the perfect in-between color. So I popped it in the inner corner, then I curled my lashes, and I went in with the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara, which is my personal favorite mascara. And I used it for the lower lashes as well. I will be going in with false lashes, so I wasn't too focused on the upper lashes, but I went in with these beautiful lashes from Queen Tarsi, which are not too dramatic, not too too neutral. They're just perfect for today's eye look, and I definitely feel like lashes always kind of lift the eye look to a whole nother level. But if you're blessed with beautiful lashes from yourself, I think it will look gorgeous with only mascara as well. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I really hope you all like how it turned out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. That's really helpful for my YouTube channel. Let me know if this is a look that you would personally wear yourself. If you do wear it, don't be afraid to tag me on social media. You can send it directly to me or in your story. I would love to see you guys wear my eye look. So definitely don't be afraid to send me. I would love to see. And yeah, I just want to say thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.